EPC contracting and project scheduling form the backbone of efficient project delivery, integrating engineering, procurement, and construction phases into a seamless workflow. A robust schedule ensures resource optimization, milestone alignment, and cost control, driving the project toward successful, on-time completion while maintaining quality and minimizing risks. In this episode of SNP Knowledge Series, let's discuss on the topic EPC contracting and project scheduling, authored by SN Panigrahi, Certified PMP, Authorized Training Partner, ATP, Instructor, PMI USA, Fellow Institution of Engineers, FIE, Chartered Engineer, Certified Lean Six Sigma Black Belt, Certified Lead Auditor ISO, IMS, Z and Lean Consultant, Corporate Trainer, Mentor and Author, Special Invitee Board of Studies Symbiosis Center of Distance Learning.
Imagine building a massive, complex structure like a 100-kilometer highway in India. Sounds daunting, right? That's where EPC projects come in. EPC stands for Engineering, Procurement and Construction, a common approach for large-scale infrastructure projects. Now, imagine trying to manage the design, procurement of materials, and actual construction without a clear plan. Chaos, delays, and cost overruns would be inevitable. This is where scheduling becomes the backbone of EPC projects. A well-defined schedule acts as a roadmap, guiding every stage of the project from conception to completion. It helps stakeholders understand their roles, manage resources efficiently, and track progress effectively. Without proper scheduling, EPC projects can quickly veer off track, leading to budget overruns and missed deadlines. This is where understanding the different types of schedules, specifically S0 to S10, becomes critical. In the world of EPC projects, schedules are categorized using a simple numbering system, S0 to S10. Each schedule represents a specific stage in the project lifecycle, outlining key milestones, deliverables, and timelines. These schedules act as communication tools between the client and the EPC contractor, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Let's break down each schedule using our 100-kilometer highway construction project in India as an example. S0, Concept Schedule. This is the initial, high-level schedule developed during the project's conceptual phase. S1, Feasibility Study Schedule. This schedule outlines the tasks and timelines for conducting a thorough feasibility study. S2, Front-End Engineering Design, FEED, Schedule. S2 details the schedule for completing the detailed engineering design of the highway. S3, Procurement Schedule. This schedule focuses on the procurement of materials, equipment, and services needed for construction. S4, Construction Schedule. The heart of the project, S4, outlines the detailed construction schedule for the highway. Imagine S0 as a rough sketch before painting a masterpiece. It's the initial, high-level schedule developed during the conceptual phase. It outlines the major project milestones and their estimated durations. For our highway project, S0 would include milestones like obtaining environmental clearances, acquiring land, and securing funding. The durations wouldn't be set in stone, but they'd provide a broad timeframe for the entire project. This preliminary schedule helps determine the project's overall feasibility and provides a basis for developing more detailed schedules in later stages. Think of it as a roadmap that helps visualize the journey ahead. Before diving headfirst into construction, a reality check is crucial. That's where the S1 schedule comes in. It outlines the tasks and timelines for conducting a thorough feasibility study. In our highway project, the S1 schedule would include tasks like soil testing, traffic analysis, and environmental impact assessments. These studies would determine whether the proposed highway is viable and identify potential challenges. The S1 schedule ensures that critical aspects like environmental impact, economic viability, and technical feasibility are thoroughly evaluated before significant resources are committed. It's like laying a strong foundation before constructing a building. Section 5. S2. Front-end engineering design, detailed planning. The S2 schedule is where the project starts taking concrete shape. It focuses on the front-end engineering design, or FEED, which involves developing detailed engineering designs for the highway. For our project, this would involve finalizing the highway alignment, designing bridges and culverts, and preparing detailed construction drawings. The S2 schedule would outline the tasks and timelines for completing these designs. Thorough FEED during the S2 phase ensures that the project is technically sound, meets all requirements, and minimizes the risk of costly rework during construction. It's like creating a blueprint before starting actual construction. Section 6. S3. Procurement in motion. With the design finalized, it's time to procure the materials, equipment, and services needed for construction. This is where the S3 schedule comes into play. For our highway project, S3 would involve procuring materials like cement, steel, aggregates, and hiring subcontractors for specific tasks. The S3 schedule would outline the procurement process, including vendor selection, contract award, and delivery timelines. A well-structured S3 schedule ensures that materials and equipment arrive on-site as needed, preventing delays and ensuring a smooth construction process. It's like ensuring all the ingredients are ready before starting to cook a grand feast. Section 7. S4. Construction kicks off. The S4 schedule is the heart of the project, as it outlines the detailed construction schedule for the highway. It breaks down the construction process into manageable activities, each with its start and finish dates, durations, and dependencies. For our highway project, S4 would include activities like site clearance, earthwork, pavement construction, bridge construction, and installation of road furniture. The S4 schedule would also consider factors like weather conditions, resource availability, and logistical constraints. A well-defined S4 schedule ensures that construction activities are executed efficiently, resources are optimally utilized, and the project stays on track. It's like conducting a well-coordinated orchestra, ensuring each instrument plays its part at the right time. Section 8. S5 to S9. Monitoring progress, milestones, and payments. As construction progresses, it's crucial to monitor progress, track milestones, and manage payments. This is where schedules S5 to S9 come in. These schedules are used to track the project's progress against the baseline schedule, S4, and identify any deviations. Regular monitoring allows project managers to take corrective actions, mitigate potential delays, and keep the project on track. It's like checking the compass and map regularly to ensure the journey is progressing as planned. Section 9. S10. The finish line. Project completion. Finally, the project reaches its destination, completion. The S10 schedule marks the formal handover of the completed highway to the client. It involves final inspections, testing and commissioning, and the handover of all project documentation. The S10 schedule ensures that the project is completed to the required standards and that the client is satisfied with the final deliverable. It's like crossing the finish line of a marathon, marking the successful completion of a challenging endeavor. Section 10. Effective scheduling. The key to EPC success. In conclusion, mastering EPC project schedules, specifically understanding and implementing S0 to S10, is crucial for project success. Effective scheduling acts as a roadmap, guiding every stage of the project and ensuring that it is delivered on time, within budget, and to the required standards. By breaking down the project into manageable phases, outlining clear milestones, and tracking progress meticulously, effective scheduling brings order to the complexities of EPC projects, paving the way for successful project execution and delivery. It's like having a reliable compass and map, guiding the project towards its ultimate destination, success.
Do you find the presentation informative and useful? If yes, then click like and also subscribe the channel for free to receive updates. Thank you. For more details contact SN Panigrahi at the below contact details.